My name is Gideon. I was second year student in network engineering. This is my first assignment for web programming, and I would like to share my video with you. I'll not waste my time. I'll go straight to my website and I will make the screen big. So I will go to index 192/index.php, which will take me to my home page. And that's my home page. And in my home page, I've got the home, the job search, apply, and the contact us. So I'll go straight to the job search, and at the job search, on my left hand, I've got all the categories, and I've got all the jobs on standby. So if an applicant wants to search a job by title, he can type the title in and or location. So let's take location like Northampton. Then we go on a search. That will bring us to the kind of job that are available in Northampton. And if I have to go by the categories, I'll go by the airline services. If I click on the airline services, it will show me the kind of job that go on. That we go for the airline service, and hotelier will do the same. Education will do the same. Healthcare assistant, and yeah. Or if I have to go to all, they all will show us all the jobs that are available. Yeah. And if I have to go by apply, on this page, applicants can apply for jobs with a job reference code, because when they go to the job search, they can view that information and get the reference code from there. So they can type something like okay, let's use the first one, TD, first name Sam, Sammy, second name Sam, third name, address number 1, mail street, alright, number 078, blah 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 blah, and the email, something like that. So yeah, and I am fit for the job. Then we submit this. So this job will be submitted. So only the applicant can go into the admin area to view the job. So I'll go back to the home. Then I will log in, username Solomon. The password is okay. Then that will take him to the administration home that say you are welcome Solomon, you are successfully logged in. Then I'll click on the administration home. Then it will take me to the administration area where I can add category, edit category, edit, delete job, delete category, add jobs, delete jobs, edit jobs, and add administration. Yeah. So I will go straight to add category, and I will type restaurant services. Then I'll click on, before that I will show my database so that it will make a lot of sense. And the database in I've got airline services, hotelier, education, and that. And I'll go to the applications. And I've got a lot of applications being made. So I'll go straight to the page. Then I'll type restaurant service, restaurant job, because I've already got the restaurant service inside my category, and I'll click on the submit. Then I'll go back and I'll go to the edit category. So there are different kind of categories in here, but I need to update my database so that the categories can take effect. So go on job category and that, and I'll click on the refresh. Then I will see that the restaurant job is being updated. That means my database and the PHP file are having strong connection. Then I'll go back to the site. Then I'll click on edit category. Then with that I can also edit the category airline service. So I'll go on airline job, and I'll click on this submit. Then I'll go back, and if I have to check from my database, I can go like that, click on the refresh. Then it will change the airline service to airline job. So I can play around this and do a lot of changes anyhow the administrator want it. So if I go on there, delete categories, I've got a lot of categories in here that I can delete from. So I just put the restaurant job inside, but I would like to delete this so that I can just show. And we go back to the database. sorry, go to the database and we go to job categories, then we update it, then it will show us that the restaurant job is being deleted. So I'll go back to the page again, and then I'll go to the add jobs. The add jobs, I can add any random job, mason or mechanic, job reference code 5,000, salary 45.50 pence an hour, location London, description servicing, car service, and the category job, I would put driving. So we submit this, then we quickly go back to the database and we go on to the jobs. No, sorry, jobs. Then we update it. Then we can see mechanic 5,000, ref code, salary, location, car service, and the job category number. That means the database is running fine. Then we go back, we go to jobs edit. So at the jobs edit, this will show the kind of all the jobs that have been applied, or like the kind of jobs that are on the site. So if you have to update or edit any of the jobs, all that I can do is I can just click on the edit jobs, and I can do the edit here, and I can also see the number of people who have applied for the job. As you can see, I've got 3 applications here, and this was salary 50. I'm going to change this to 60. Then we can find out if it's updated or not. Then I'll click on the submit. Then I'll go back, and I'll go back and check on my database applications. Yeah, sorry, that was jobs edit, sorry. Yeah, and the jobs edit, and as you can see, kitchen staff, the salary was 50, but I changed to 60. So that means the database and the PHP file are working together. And we can go to the administration that I can add a new user, and a new user can also add another user. So I'll put some b at live.com, and the username many, and the password and I can go to add down. So this information will go straight into the database to update the database. So when I go to back, I can go back to my database and go to the admin files where all the administration files are kept. So it will update that there is a new user called many, and the password is being hashed for security reason. So I'm going to log out from the system and log into the admin area with the new user. So I'll click log out, and it will take me back to the home page where it will say your session has been logged out. Then I will log back in with the new user, many, and password. Okay, and I will submit, and it will take me to the admin home, saying the administration home. Many, you are welcome, and your access is log on. So the many can also add another user, which says D639 at live.com. The username is D, password, and I'll click on add. So I'll go back to main page, and I will log out from that. Then I'll log in again with a new user, that's D, and the password. So that means the database and the PHP is working fine. Then you can go back to home, do any edit, add category, delete categories, and everything that is necessary to do. So I'll log back again, and this is back to my page. This is the login area, the job search, the category, like the kind of category that you want, application. You can enter information here, and it will go straight to the job category, and the contact us. This is where you can find the company's headquarters information, the address, their numbers, their email, how to contact them. So this is my website, and I believe you enjoy it. Thank you.